Beta support to cut but don't support to decode non-conductive keys, including plastic keys, aluminum keys, etc. Decoding non-conductive keys will probably break decoders, and cutting non-conductive keys will need a specialized one-flute non-conductive key cutter. Click Search Input HU66 and select 909 to enter the key data page. Then click Input to input the biddings of original keys and click OK. Fix the original key on side B shown in the figure. The key shoulder should reach the edge of the jaw. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings. The cutter should be specialized one-flute non-conductive key cutter, then select non-conductive key and click Cut to start cutting. After cutting is done, please clean the shavings on the jaw, otherwise it will affect the cutting accuracy. Then fix the other side of the key blank by shoulder alignment on the jaw shown in the figure. The key shoulder should reach the edge of the jaw. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings, then click Cut to start cutting the other side. All cutting is done, please clean the shavings and test that the new key works well.